Hi everyone, it's Michelle from AW Direct. Today I'm here with Todd and Jose from Menzel Enterprises. Hi Todd.
Good morning, Michelle.
Hi Jose. Thank you for taking time out of your day to talk to me. I'd like to talk to them about the new camera system. Todd, Jose, can you tell me what problems this camera system helps solve for the owners?
So Michelle, we're looking for safety, security, and savings. We want to make sure the driver has the proper training out in the field. We want to make sure that he's being safe with the procedures that he's following. At the same time, we look at savings for insurance. There's a lot of savings to have a security system in the vehicle at all times.
Being a technician that installs these systems, at first the drivers didn't like it, but over time they came to realize that it's there for their safety and the safety of all the community around them. Everything is covered 360 on the trucks. I'm also a driver, and being out on the interstate, I have the peace of mind that it's there in case something happens to me. We all have families to go back home to, and if something happened, it'd be on video. And it gives me peace of mind that I know I can go home and say, hey, honey, those systems saved my life today.
What problems does it solve for the driver?
I think for the driver, it really creates a level of accountability that you may not see elsewhere. It helps them to validate what they did right and what they potentially need more training on. So as a driver, it gives them the ability to see what they did and do a better job next time.
So at first I didn't like the camera system. I felt like I was being watched, but after, having it on the trucks for a long time, it's a lot better. It's added a level of safety and security. It comes down to your word against mine. I can prove that we didn't do anything wrong.
Why choose the Menzel camera system over the other systems out there?
Well, number one, Michelle, it's been tried and tested through the towing industry for the last 6 years. So these products are working in over 140 trucks in the Midwest actively on a day-to-day basis, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. On top of that, we have 4 options within the camera systems. We have a backup cell phone device, we have a 2-way radio communications, we have live footage of the driver themselves, and we have GPS integration.
And for the cost, how soon will an owner see its return on investment?
Well, Michelle, on the short term, for any bumper damage that's out there, it's approximately $1,800. Just in that alone, where one camera system can defer that claim, that in itself is a savings. On another term is when you have somebody who has workman's comp. If it's validated, you can determine that as well, but if it's not, it can be disputed. And as well as when you go to claims for an accident or some kind of damage that's more than the normal day to day, that's when the camera system really comes into play, because that has saved us over the years hundreds of thousands of dollars, and it's also saved us yearly premiums that are minimized because of this system.